Hello everybody, this is Mike. Today I'd like to introduce Google Stitch to you. If you are like a programmer or maybe you just are like a newbie to making apps, so you want your app looks beautiful, right? So Google's Stitch is just like convert your description in natural language into basically a beautiful design. Let me show it in action. So the background is like I have an app called InfoFlow, which is like a reader deleter. Basically, you can bookmark or maybe save anything into this app. It's like a Readwise, basically. So I want redesign this app, basically. So the initial part is like a left-hand side. It has a like rough UI, and I feed the basically the whole app. Like its descriptions, its functionalities, and its competitors into Google Stitch, and I just chat with them. No screenshot, basically. So the initial version is like Readwise, basically, because Readwise is kind of famous, and I believe Google is trained on its UI. So I said, no, I want maybe a lighter version because I still love light mode. So this is a second version. Then I told my AI to describe my app. So about the functionalities, the UX user experience. So in the end, it is like this, and this is just design, right? Not totally aligned with like my app. So I can use right click, copy as PNG, which is basically a photo, and copy as code and paste it into your favorite chat coding tools like Cloud Code or Codex, and it can just implement that screen, the design with the actual design. And in practice, this is my screenshot. You can see pretty similar, right? And I can also show you my simulator so that you can see that, yeah, this whole design is totally implemented. So it's very interesting, right? And I hope you enjoy this video, and you can start with like even free account with a Google Stitch, and it is pretty cheap if you subscribe to Google AI Pro, and you can use it for basically website design and app design, and it's pretty fast. Even like with redesign, and it's even more helpful. Let's see. If you want similar contents, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Mike Chong. See you next time. Bye bye.